Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and gold versus the dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold ended up making a very strong push down, which to me makes it very obvious that this is not an ABC, that it is actually a 1-2 and we're currently in a wave 3. And the fact that it's closing so hot below the 78% says that it is most likely going to break structure, probably going to make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. And this is probably only a wave A, or maybe possibly a wave 1 of a downtrend that started right here. So it definitely changes it up a little bit from the ABC analysis. I mean, it still could be an ABC, but at this point, if it is an ABC, then we're actually only in the wave A of that ABC. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list during every one of those sessions. Also, it gives you access to my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.